Hello Brain Shakers, welcome to the Brain Shakers Academy. In today's session, we're going to be looking at the master gland, which is also referred to as the pituitary gland. Now, why is it called a master gland? It is called a master gland because it produces a number of hormones and also releases some hormones that then end up regulating most of the body functions within our various systems. Now, let's quickly dive into today's session and look at what the pituitary gland is comprised of. So we're looking at the pituitary gland, but before we dive into looking at what the pituitary gland is, it is important to note the various parts of the structures that are related to the pituitary gland. But of importance, before we even get there, is to know where the pituitary gland is located. So the pituitary gland is located in a fossa that we call a hypophyseal fossa, because the pituitary gland itself is referred to as the hypophysis. So it is located in a fossa that we call the hypophyseal fossa, and this hypophyseal fossa is on a bone. So what you see on the bottom end here is a bone that we call the sphenoid bone. Now, this fossa down here is the sella tussica of the sphenoid bone. So the pituitary gland is located in the sella tussica of the sphenoid bone, and this is what we are referring to as the hypophyseal fossa. So that is where the pituitary gland is then located, and it is encapsulated and protected by that bone around